जब आपस में ही कनेक्शन नहीं है तो फिर तो ये तो होना ही है, तो स्पार्किंग होगी, कनेक्शन डिसकनेक्शन होगा, तो आपको क्या आपत्ति है?
Sir, the house belongs to me. It has
तो
been,
कनेक्शन के लिए तो ओनरशिप होना जरूरी नहीं है,
but
एनीबडी कैन टेक।
anybody can take, provided
In an alternative, when the owner is not residing in the premise for which the connection is being sought, then at least the NOC by the registered owner is to be provided.
इज रिटन, ओनली इट इज रिटन इन फॉर्म,
Yes.
नॉट अंडर विद्युत सुधार अधिनियम और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्ट। हैं?
फैमिली डिस्प्यूट है, एक भाई का दूसरे भाई का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कनेक्शन कटवा दे।
दो पिटीशन के दो कनेक्शन है।
5 कनेक्शन है, एक पिटीशन में 4 कनेक्शन है जो एक भाई और उसके टेनेंट के नाम पे थे, और दूसरी पिटीशन में जो कनेक्शन माता जी के नाम पे था, जो माता जी ने आवेदन देके कटवाया, वो उसके लिए भाई ने अपने नाम से कनेक्शन देने का आवेदन लगाया।
जब आपस में ही कनेक्शन नहीं है तो फिर तो ये तो होना ही है, तो स्पार्किंग होगी, कनेक्शन डिसकनेक्शन होगा। हाँ? तो इंटरिम ऑर्डर क्या मिला?
This honorable court was pleased to direct as an interim measure for restoration of electricity connection by order dated 30th of November 2020.
हो गया?
Yes, ma'am. Immediately it was finished.
तो आपको क्या आपत्ति है?
sir, the house belongs to me. It has
तो
been,
कनेक्शन के लिए तो ओनरशिप होना जरूरी नहीं है,
but the,
एनीबडी कैन टेक।
anybody can take, provided they have the NOC of the owner.
हाँ,
And in the present
दे आर नॉट
case,
जॉइंट ओनर।
they are not the joint owner. I am the owner of the house. And
आपका रिलेशन क्या है?
brother, they are real brothers.
Brothers.
The respond number 4 and the
इट्स अ
petitioner-
सेल्फ ओन्ड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ
It has been gifted to me by my father, and the petitioner, he has many criminal antecedents, and therefore the father is not happy with the petitioner's conduct, and I have filed all the list of the criminal cases which are pending against him, and therefore there is a dispute. The petitioner sought electricity. He is seeking electricity connection in respect of the tenants also who are not parties to this petition. And even their connections have been restored in pursuance of the interim order.
यू आर फॉर कंपनी,
I am for the mother.
आप कंपनी के लिए।
पेज
कौन?
नंबर 32 पर आप देखेंगे जो कनेक्शन से मांग रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट इन हिज नेम, दे आर इन नेम ऑफ सम अदर पर्सन्स हु आर नॉट पार्टीज टू दिस पिटीशन। पेज नंबर 31 एंड 32, बद्रीलाल एंड कृष्णपाल सिंह। He is not authorized to file any petition on their behalf also. And by virtue of the interim order, these connections have also been restored.
और सिविल लिटिगेशन क्या है?
Civil suit is pending. The civil suit has been filed by the petitioner for injunction. First, a civil suit was filed only against the municipal authorities for injunction. I filed an application under Order Bandu 10 CPC. That suit was then dismissed in default. Subsequently, a new suit has been filed.
हाँ यस, बताइए आपका क्या केस? किसी को रिप्लाई के लिए टाइम चाहिए है? नहीं चाहिए ना, आपको भी नहीं चाहिए ना। हाँ बताइए।
The mother has not filed the reply.
वो नहीं करना, आप बताइए व्हाट इज योर केस?
But my case is that I am the son of one Mr. Om Prakash, who has 2 sons. One is Pankaj and the other son is my respondent number 4, whose name is Manish alias Manoj. Now, Mr. Om Prakash, who is not keeping well, this house number 19 is not a self-acquired property of Mr. Om Prakash. He has it is devolved from his father mother. So it is an ability position that Mr. Om Prakash also never purchased this property in his life. When Mr. Om Prakash is alive, I have filed a suit that there is a gift deed executed in the year 2018 by one Mr. Om Prakash in favor of another son, which is Manoj, alias Manish. And I have challenged that this sale deed be declared null and void, as Mr. Om Prakash, who is my father, does not have any right to.
बता दिया, रिपीट मत करिए।
So now, my lord, thereafter what they have done, my lord, there are total 5 connections, my lord, installed in the premises which is in my occupation. There are total 5.
इन ऑल योर नेम 5
No,
कनेक्शन।
out of 5, my lord, 2 are in my name and 2 are in the name of tenants one is Badrilal, I have mentioned in the petition, and another is Krishnapal. And fifth one was in the name of mother, who is respondent number 5, Shakuntala,
Not residing with you.
not residing with me. And so that is why she has filed an application that the connection which is in my name should be disconnected. So that is why I have not filed this present petition asking for restoration of that connection, because that was in her name. So I have the first petition number 27528/22, my lord, which is filed by me, was with regard to only 4 connections. I have clearly pleaded in the first petition that 2 connections are in my name, 2 connections.
बता दिया फिर भी आपको रिपीट करना है क्या प्रॉब्लम?
I am so sorry, my lord. And it is also an admitted position, my lord, that the notices were also issued only to me, not to any of my tenants. The notices are annexure P4, which is page number 24 and 25. I am before this honorable court seeking quashment of those notices. The learned electricity
Annexure?
P4, my lord, page number 24 and 25. Dated, my lord, 6th of October 2022, which is and 29th of October 2022. This was issued, my lord, and he had asked me kindly, may I read it, my lord, last paragraph if you can. क्योंकि विद्युत आपूर्ति अति आवश्यक सेवा के अंतर्गत आती है, तब पुनः आपको सूचित किया जाता है कि आप अपने मालिकाना हक अथवा न्यायालय से उक्त कनेक्शनों को नहीं काटे जाने संबंधी दस्तावेज 7 दिवस के अंदर वितरण केंद्र कार्यालय में प्रस्तुत करें। समयावधि में दस्तावेज प्रस्तुत नहीं करने पर आपकी आपत्ति स्वतः निरस्त मानी जाएगी और आपत्ति प्राप्त समस्त विद्युत कनेक्शनों को विच्छेदित करने की कार्रवाई की जाएगी, जिसकी समझ जवाबदारी आपकी रहेगी। And my lord, in the first 2 lines, my lord, will find the connections of all 5 numbers are mentioned, and this notice was addressed only to me, Pankaj. Similar, both the notices are almost identical, my lord. I have given my reply to them, my lord. My reply, my lord, is at page number 26, which is annexure P5. And I have also filed an application before the permanent Lok Adalat, which is there, that my electricity connection should not be disconnected because it is basic services. But they
ठीक
are,
है। क्या कहना है MP?
Lordship, we received an application from respondent number 4, who is the registered owner as per the land records. And on receipt of that application, we inquired with the Nagar Parishad regarding the possession.
Which is the clause for that consent of owner is required?
Your Lordship, there is no clause regarding that, but the application form for electricity connection itself provides that the owner has to, it is the owner which to whom the connection would be provided, and in case the owner.
That is a statutory form.
No, Your Lordship, the form.
ये तो आपका बनाया हुआ है.
Yes, Your Lordship.
There is no statutory requirement of consent of owner.
Yeah, but Lordship, in an alternative, when the owner is not residing in the premise for which the connection is being sought, then at least the NOC by the registered owner is to be provided.
It is
to the
written,
application.
only it is written in form,
Yes,
not under Vidyut Sudhar Adhiniyam or Electricity Act.
No, Your Lordship.
Nothing is there. ठीक. So on the basis of which you issued a notice.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Otherwise there is no default in payment of.
There is no default in payment, Lordship. We issued a notice asking for the title documents or in an alternative a stay order from any honorable court, but the
तो
petitioner.
आपको सप्लाई करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
No, Your Lordship.
Yes, mister. Are you are for son?
I am for the brother of the
Brother.
petitioner.
क्या पर? Under which provision?
Lordship, under the electricity code clause 4.11,
दिखा लीजिए.
There is a
निकालना है
requirement.
electricity code.
that
Supply code.
supply code, that he should provide a document of legal occupation of the premises. That has.
वो इनको ही नहीं पता है. MPV को नहीं पता.
That itself order meant that either the owner itself has to apply or.
तो मैं
an
पूछ रहा था
NOC
कहाँ लिखा, किस कानून में लिखा है, वो पूछ रहा था आपसे. पढ़िए इसमें क्या क्लॉज.
It says that for availing a new connection for domestic and single phase non-domestic categories, in case the applicant is unable to provide the proof of legal occupation of the
विद्युत सुधार
premises.
अधिनियम स्टेट का है. सप्लाई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई कोड.
Supply code. The officer in charge of the concerned distribution circle may waive such requirement and record in writing the reasons thereof. However, in such cases, the security deposit payment, this is not applicable.
कितना पुराना कनेक्शन है ये? तो न्यू कनेक्शन के लिए है ये तो.
New connection के लिए.
तो न्यू थोड़ी है, ये तो पुराना है.
एक पिटीशन में न्यू कनेक्शन के लिए अप्लाई करा हुआ है, उसमें
अभी तो अपन इसकी बात कर रहे हैं. ये तो बहुत पुराना कनेक्शन है, आपके फादर के लाइफ टाइम का होगा. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल कहाँ लगा?
P6 page 29 to 30.
किसके नाम पे इलेक्शन? पंकज।
2 in the name of present petitioner, 2 in the name of tenant.
Because for the petitioner to avert this fact, he has not averted it in the petition.
But that is for new connection.
Yes,
This is the existing connection.
this is existing connection, but thereafter he filed an application before the Lok Adalat, and that application was also rejected by Annexure P10. This order has not been challenged by the petitioner. He is only challenging the notices.
लोक अदालत और
The permanent Lok Adalat.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट।
Yes, sir. That is Annexure P10 at page number 40. This order is not challenged by the petitioner. And my submission is that the petitioner cannot claim a restoration of connections of the tenants who are not parties in this petition and who have not given any authority to the petitioner to file this petition on their behalf. Thirdly, my submission is that the petitioner, he is a habitual offender. I have placed on record the list of the
उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता
cases pending. नहीं,
He is
ये
not
बताना
entitled
चाहता
to
हूँ-
electricity.
नहीं, मेरा ये कहना है कि मेरे मकान में इस प्रकार का व्यक्ति अगर रह रहा है, the mother has also given the application for disconnection of the electricity connection because of his criminal antecedents, and what kind of offences are pending against him that can be seen from that list. And in those circumstances, this application was submitted, and the electricity authorities have accepted.
Criminal antecedents are not so important for grant of electricity connection.
They may not be, Your Worship, but
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की फैसिलिटी तो जेल में भी मिलती है।
हाँ, नहीं, मेरा सबमिशन ये है कि because the house belongs to me, I don't want that.
उसके लिए तो अभी सिविल सूट पेंडिंग है।
Civil suit has been filed by the petitioner himself. So the
Claiming, challenging your will and
and
everything.
Lok Adalat has.
So as on today, he is a joint owner.
नहीं, आज तो मेरे फेवर में गिफ्ट डीड है. That may be under challenge. But that the pendency of the suit will not divest me of the ownership.
जब तक 4
4.11.
उसका भी वेवर का प्रोविजन है।
वेवर का प्रोविजन है, पर उन्होंने वेवर करने से मना किया. So that is the decision taken by the authorities.
In such case, the security deposit to be paid by consumer shall be equal to the cost of 90 days average consumption. तो उसका भी इन्होंने रास्ता निकाला होगा।
In case they accept the.
The service of
waiver.
connection to such premises shall not be used as a proof of legal right. वो भी ठीक है। On a premises of any other legal. If in any future it is found that the consumer has illegally occupied the premises, the connection shall immediately be permanently disconnected. ये है clause. In future if it is found that. तो वो तो सिविल सूट डिसाइड होगा तब पता लगेगा कि इलीगल है कि नहीं।
And in the civil
You
suit,
did not file a suit for eviction against him.
I have filed.
Filed.
It is pending.
Let both to be decided. Thereafter, that authority will decide whether to continue.
My submission is that the authorities, the civil court may not get affected by the fact that this honorable court has restored the electricity.
वो तो
connection.
4.11 में ही लिखा हुआ
But if this honorable court clarifies, then that will
Clarify
safeguard my
करो।
rights.
ठीक है।
Section 43 also there.
हाँ
Section 43 of Electricity Act,
हाँ
which says that even an occupier is entitled for
हाँ 43।
40.
आप एमपीबी के वकील, आपको प्रोविजन नहीं पता रहता। हाँ सुधार अधिनियम में भी है और उसमें भी है, सप्लाई कोड में भी और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्ट में भी है। लिखिए petitioner has filed this present petition being agreed by the notice of disconnection of electricity supply annexure P4 and P5 issued by Stud Engineer, the respondent 1 and 2 Pipale Mandi, on the ground that the petitioner is not the owner of the premises in question. According to the petitioner, this property was initially owned by his father Om Prakash Agrawal,
His grandfather.
grandfather, and it was thereafter transferred to, inherited by his father Om Prakash Agarwal, and after his death he has become a co-owner along with mother and his brother, respondent number 4 Manish Agarwal. However, the respondent number 4 Manish Agarwal is claiming ownership by virtue of will executed by
Gift.
Om Prakash. Gift deed.
Father is still alive.
Alive. In order to claim the share in the property, the petitioner has filed a civil suit 27A of 22 challenging the gift deed. Police. The respondent number 4 has also filed a suit for eviction, claiming himself to be an absolute owner of the property. Police. The respondent number 4 made a complaint to the electricity department. Respondent number 1 to 3 that the petitioner is not entitled for connection as he is not a owner of the property. On the basis of said complaint, the impugn notices were issued to the petitioner. After notice in this petition, and at the time of issuance of notice, the interim relief was granted to the petitioner on 30th 11/22, whereby the electricity connection was directed to be restored. The respondent have filed the reply. I have heard all the parties. Section clause 4.11 of the MP's Electricity Supply Code gives the discretion to the superintendent engineer to the electricity company, the officer in charge of the concerned distribution circle, to waive requirement of proof of legal occupation of the premises. It also provides that if the condition is waived, then the security deposit to be paid by consumer shall be equal to the cost of 90 days of average consumption. This provision also provides that the service connection of such premises shall not be used as a proof of legal right on the premises or for any other legal use. And in future, if it is found that the consumer has illegally occupied the premises, the connection shall immediately be disconnected permanently. The civil suit filed by the petitioner claiming ownership by way of succession and the civil suit filed by the respondent number 4 seeking decree of ejectment, both are pending. Admittedly, the petitioner is one of the son of the owner of the registered owner of the erstwhile registered owner of the property. However, after the execution of gift deed, the same is recorded in the name of respondent number 4. But since the dispute is under litigation before the civil court, prima facie the petitioner cannot said to be an illegal occupation. As per clause 4.11, after conclusion of both the civil litigation between the parties, and if the petitioner occupation has been declared illegal, then certainly the clause 4.1 can be invoked. This court has made a aforesaid observation only in respect of grant of electricity connection, not on the entering of the marriage. Rights and title of the property.
The connection of the tenants, Your Lordship, that may not be continued. The electricity, they are not before this honorable court.
Same logic will apply. Who is receiving the rent?
He is receiving, the petitioner was receiving. But the connections are not in his name. They are in the
The
name
tenants are also entitled for it.
They are
Their
not,
initial induction is not illegal. They have not encroached us. They were kept as a tenant by your father.
not so.
Same principle will apply to the tenant also, in whose name the electricity connection is continuing since last so many years.
And so far as second petition is concerned, since the electric